This is the Westra Environmental Dry Damp DH30 for sale on eBay. I'm demonstrating this so that you can see it works prior to your purchase. I'm now going to plug the item in and turn it on. As you can see, an orange light has come on the front, which means it is not set up correctly. To set up correctly, go to the back of the machine and insert the water collection container, ensuring that the magnet connects, which then turns the switch on. This one. Full instructions are on the rear. Returning back to the front of the machine, the light is now off, indicating that it is on correctly at the rear. Turn the dial to the appropriate setting until it comes on. And as you can see and hear, it is now doing the job it is meant to do. If your conditions are more damp, you can turn it up to encourage more water to be taken from the area. And off again.